So welcome back to another video, and we have gone a little mission up to Hemel Hempstead today because we are at a TT breakfast meet which was organised by Dom for Parrot Bro, so obviously check his channel out as well. Andy charges here, so let's have a look around and see how many TTs are here, and let's have a look at them. And as you can see, there's TTs absolutely everywhere. Sun's out, top down. Nice large pro round filter and the catch can. Nice mods on that. V6. It's just nice to see what people have done to their cars, which is different. That's actually an MX-5 here as well. Let's go and check that out.
Some nice BBS rims there with some nice Brembo calipers.
Alright, let's carry on and go and have a look at some more.
Another red one. With a standard lacquer feel. It's like a tan sort of leather.
Very nice.
Red Bull Racing TT, that looks sick. Oh look, it's Andy Charger. Top down on this one, sun's out.
It's only a baby, only 150.
It's alright, it's all good. You had it long?
About 5 years. It's
Oh,
the
yeah.
longest journey we've ever done.
Oh, is it?
And if anybody wants one of these for nothing, they can have it, because it's been... If anybody go round and there's one missing, they can have it.
It's always worth keeping hold of bits though, isn't it?
Got brakes on that.
Have a nice TT5 with a big pro ram. Reset valve, move to cold side. Might have seen this one up on Andy's channel when he done TT meets TT. And you do have to touch the rivets, because it's been done so well. But it's hard to believe it's actually been painted. There's Andy's car there. Another 225. I believe this one's been on Andy's channel as well. It's got quite an unusual spoiler on the back of it.
that or admittance to a lunatic asylum.
Oh yeah.
And some like Lexus style rear lights going on. I think this is the one that pops and bangs. Nice green one. Lovely polished wheels, two-tone. I don't know if the camera's picking that up.
Years ago, February.
Let's have a look under the bonnet.
Years ago, February. So it's just over 9 years ago.
When
Remember when I got it though, yeah?
When does it go?
What? Where did the time go? Exactly. Do you remember when I got it? Yeah, envious.
Is it right to open the door, mate?
What's Chris up to? Chris is probably going to be stealing bits out your car. Chris, what are you stealing? What are you eyeing up those seats?
They stay seats.
Yeah, I bet you are.
Lovely QS seats in there.
They didn't do the S line for factory until 2000.
Look at those.
So
He's got the pole position, rear seat, delete, and it's all proper stuff out of a QS. It's all like real QS stuff.
So that's S line spec, but that was done in D in 2002.
Really nice. In that light, the green just sort of pops.
They don't do water trim like these ones, it's just the engine. So it's got the insurance group 35. Check that out, Neil. The non-manual.
It's a nice feel. It's all carbon fibre.
Sorry, the manual V6 is 2 insurance groups lower than the DSG. So it's insurance group 38, right, for manual, and the DSG is, no it's not, the DSG is group 40. Why? I don't
Nice black. I don't really see many black ones anymore. Little ram air filter. Some nice little sort of billet sort of caps and stuff. All looks nice and tidy. The front splitter. There's us. There. We made it. Always a result. We get to the destination. So I've got the new discs and pads on now, and I've painted the calipers, but we'll do that in another video. This is a Merlin purple. Very nice. And a yellow one. You don't see many yellow ones. I believe this is a V6. It's got a V6 front bumper. The Runners V6 wheels. Really nice. Another silver 225. Looks really nice and clean. You can see Dom in the background filming, so go and check him out. Another silver one. Gone for like a QS sort of look. So this one's been converted to diesel. This is a 1.9 PD engine, I believe.
Quite good, I'm sure it was. Yeah, I don't know if it was.
So it's been a good Mark II TTRS.
Suspension, all the bushes, long bars. I actually I've got perfect touch with it, because I trust them like the track setup and stuff. So
Lovely QS over here.
to the extent of going
Getting
on
rare.
the website, measuring the drop links and getting their drop links because they're chunkier and they're adjustable.
Yeah.
So I've got super cool good
When you cover that,
Another QS here that has been modified.
no, the roof space is separate because the roof's up or down, so they've got the same boot head up into the roof, but the boot is small because
Nice Brempos.
yeah, the space is left.
Lots of time and effort has gone into this engine bay. Very nice.